Good day, coach. My name is Santiago Leal, the girls of 11-2, and the name of my recipe is morning tortillas. Since this recipe usually used at the breakfast.
The ingredients are tortillas, 2 eggs, 1 tomato, 1 long onion, thin fries, and oil. The utensils to use are a small bowl, a cutting board, a frying pan, a kitchen griddle, and a scratcher. On the chopping board, chop the onion and cut the tail of the tomato. We scratch the tomato. Add the oil to the pan over low heat. Add the tomato and onion mixture to the hot oil in the pan. Open 2 eggs in the small bowl. Let's add salt and we mix. We add the mixture to the pan. And we stir in the pan. Now we turn on the cooktop and we roast the tortillas a little. To the griddle omelette, we add the cooked egg. Add the French fries. We grab the tortilla and we finish it. Remember that the number of people for this dish depends on how many tortillas and how many eggs there are.